1 cup soaked sabut moong dal overnight. Drain water and leave it in a wet cloth for 4 to 6 hours. Sprouts after 4 to 6 hours. If you want, you can boil sprouts for 2 minutes. Cut vegetables and fruits of your choice. I'm adding cucumber, onion, tomato and lemon juice. All the vegetables and fruits. Add salt, add black salt, bhuna jeera powder, mix well. Add chaat masala, lemon juice, mix well. Healthy tasty sprouts chaat ready. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.